Hey everyone, it's me. Decided to get out of Broward for a little bit since it's slow on the Lampasas side, and went over to towards Richland Springs and San Saba. Nothing was sitting out there, but when I got here to Lometa, Texas, along the BNSF Lampasas sub, let me show you what I found. Which the paint job on this one, right there, an Ex HLCX Jeep that's now owned by Omnitrax. And if you notice the paint job on this one, which I have not seen this paint job in no telling how long, and lo and behold, just found it right here and tied down at the interchange yard, waiting for the next rock train. But here it is, the Ex HLCX Jeep, which is now Omnitrax 4204. And enjoy this video. And this is the interchange yard where they tie down the power on some weekends, and where they bring the rock trains over here, where they will take over from here. But not every day I get to see a colorful lash up like this, which I'm hopefully one of these days I can catch them running and everything. But anyway, I thought I'd show you this. And thanks for watching. Adios.